Today I'm having some Tsukemen or Tsukemen from TSUJITA. A lot of TSUs in there. Got this nice little package. We're just heating up the sauce on the right and about to boil some noodles. The artisan noodles. With Tsukemen, you wash it in cold water. I squeeze some lime into this delicious looking sauce. It's got the pork, the bamboo shoots, the green onion, all nice and warm. Now it's time for the noodles to go in. But wait, I can't forget the seaweed, the nori. Alright. It's a pretty little garnish, strained. Plenty to fill myself up with. Here we go, moment of truth. My God, it's just like at the store. You have to slurp when eating ramen or tsukemen. I'm about halfway into this and it's been filling, delicious, and so satisfying. I got TSUJITA, but they also have on bestramenla.com Shin-Sen-Gumi and Daikokuya, amongst others. If you want, you can get some ramen at bestramenla.com and use my code to get 10% off. Oh, brother. I knew this moment would come, but I was hoping it would. But I am so full and satisfied. This has been a great meal.